precision window tint and film. Traffic is pretty bad right now, so I think I can give you some wisdom as we start. One thing I'll say is I called out Palantir for those who are investors when it was $27, and it hit $120 in the past month and a half. Actually, I think going back to February might have peaked, so that was a really good play. The next thing I'm looking at is Rich Tech Robotics, which is a robotics company that will use NVIDIA hardware. So I'm still long on NVIDIA, but they just released a notice to their investors that they're taking a massive capital expense for inventory that they're stocking up on. So that dropped the stock a lot today, right at close and after hours. God, why are you so dumb? Makes no sense to block the view like that. So we're still tuning the car, guys. This is on the first revision. I need to change it to map 2. It's auto logging right now. I had to change all the parameters that it was logging at. Wow, it doesn't even want to get us on 400. It must be that bad. That's crazy. Good, we just switched to map 2. We're still remote tuning the car. Tuner told me, Alex at Racebox, switch to map 2. He's up the boost a little bit. We probably won't be able to log much as we leave here. We got a C63 AMG with the license plate Tortoise, which is hilarious. CT5 Blackwing in front of it. New 2025 G80 M3 behind us. R8 V10. Map 2 has the hard burbles on for 2.5 seconds, so this is gonna be hilarious. So we've been doing logs in 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive sport. Alex at Racebox said, you know, once we turn it up more, traction is better, so go for the 4-wheel drive sport mode. Turn the burbles off real quick. There's police on each side here. Nice, we got the light, that's really nice. trucks just cannot drive. Now we can get back on it. This Tortoise license plate is too funny. So normally, guys, I would have the burble at like 0.4 seconds. Right now it's 2.5 seconds on the hard setting, so it's gonna be crazy. You can hear the Blackwing and smell it. Literally got a convoy, all black cars. Is hilarious, honestly. That was fun, bro. I got some good footage. Yours sound good too. What was your name, bro? What was your name? Anthony? That's your brother? Okay. Congrats to him and you, bro. That's crazy. I appreciate it. I just switched the map and the burbles are on max, so it just sounds ridiculous. Do you have a mid pipe? Do you have a mid pipe? Hell yeah. Very nice. Valve controller, mid pipe, down pipes. LC500. I'm so hungry. I haven't eaten all day. Oh, SL63.
He's got a Remus exhaust.
Yo, he's slammed. That's pretty low. That looks great, dude.
I love that front lip, dude.
Oh, he's got a sick Venturi intake system. That's why it sounds like that. Woo. Dude, that is gorgeous. What up, man? Good. Good to see you. Where's Haas at? Oh, there he's at. It's a sick lineup. I was just too tight there. I couldn't even get my door open, so I was like, I might just put up some. Look at that. Mag blue wheels. It's because we're at Wolf Pen here in Roswell. They're doing Wolf Pen Wednesday from 5 to 7. This is Haas's G80 you saw in the previous video. He said his tires were cold. I don't believe him, man. We were driving the same amount of time. They were cold. So, Haas, your front splitter is different than the one on his car?
Yeah, it's a souvenir.
Souvenir, yeah. The one piece. That's the way to go. Yeah, you have the full Venturi intake system, right? And that's the logo with the V, the red V.
We did it, but definitely the best of it.
That's what I'm giving you.
That night and the next day.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Well,